Hi, hello everyone. I wish you a happy new year 2025 to all my channel subscribers and viewers. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe before entering into this video. In the last video, we talked about the opportunities, industry opportunities for electrical engineering or for AIE and PE students. Today, to get that core job opportunities, what are the skill set one needs to learn before or to get a good opportunity, and what are the sectors which is having the good salary packages, which you are attractive salary packages which jobs are having. What are the skills which are having more, I can say, what are the skills having a attractive opportunities in the industry, which skills are having higher job opportunities, which domain is good, and which domain is a growing demand in the coming years that we will be looking in this video. I would try to restrict this video as short as possible. If the video is lengthy, please excuse here. So coming to the job or attractive job opportunities, today we have, or when you say first one is into the semiconductor applications, or like the device applications, where the highest attractive package is here. The jobs with semiconductors in the companies like Infineon, Qualcomm, like you have TI, these group of companies. There are many more. I'm just taking few examples here, which are the highest package job opportunities you will be getting. Second one, today the demand goes to basically the power electronics. Power electronics opportunities are the second highest demand in the core electrical job opportunities. Third one is power electronics and power systems. I can say it's a combination of both. It's a combination of both we have. Then we have the other job opportunities. So here, to acquire the job in the semiconductor industry or the other industries, basically the power electronics industry is everywhere. Like wherever the converter design comes, you have the power electronics. It may be electric vehicle domain, or it may be an automotive domain, a data center application, or a UPS application. Anywhere you can be possibly getting a opportunity over here. In the power electronics plus power system domain, basically the power system is also a huge growing area today in the market. Like the application of or the HVDC or microgrid or smart grid, the world is moving towards this smart grid application. The world is moving towards this. As I said, in the fourth, it comes all the renewable energy sector. So to acquire a job in these sectors, what are the skill sets which one needs to have? So basically, as I said, so based on your interest, where your interest lies, you need to think about it. We need to think about it. So if you want to be in the design, then you need to have a core subject knowledge of power electronics, then you also need to have analog electronics background, very good, analog electronics. Then you also, along with these, if you want to have power electronics, you need to have the analog electronics definitely. Then if you want to go to grid side and work in the power systems, you need to have power systems background. Then you need to also have a good analytical skills along with these three opportunities or the subjects. So these are the top three. Then you may, if you want to deep dive into the VLSI sector from electrical engineering to move towards nanotechnology, then you may need to also have a good understanding of solid state physics, or electronic device circuits knowledge you should be able to have. Along with these four top or the core subjects, you need to have an add-on with power electronics is a embedded systems knowledge. Embedded systems is not only directly embedded systems. I cannot say, I can also write like this: microcontroller knowledge or microprocessor knowledge or DSP, digital signal processing knowledge. If you have, you can rule this particular area, because power electronics today is completely a digital side, digital control of power electronics. So you should be able to have this microcontrollers, microprocessor and DSP knowledge along with this, then you will be at the top. So because to run, you are designing, but how to drive, you should be able to have that knowledge as well. So along with this analog electronics and power electronics, if you have these skills, you will be at par. So these are the, so I will also write that here: microcontroller or microprocessor and DSP knowledge, and 6 is overall embedded system. Embedded systems knowledge you should be able to have. Apart from this, so these are the subjects you should be able to concentrate. So along with this, you may have other subjects like measurements, the calculations wherever it requires, you should be able to understand. So microprocessor and microcontroller and DSP or embedded systems is a very key and an important subject today. Don't leave. If you have an opportunity as an elective, take that elective, read that. And apart from that, you should be able to also code. You should able to also code, because the coding is also part, like the basic C, and today something like Python, or if you have an other level of languages, it will be an add-on advantage. So you should able to learn along with our core subject. These two coding skills are required. These two coding skills are required. So coming to the simulation softwares, coming to the simulation softwares and the softwares for this embedded, the free of softwares where you can get, if you want to use the embedded knowledge, you may use Kyle Microvision. Then you have TI's Code Composer Studio. Then you have STM Studios, ST Microelectronics Studios. Like this, you have the coding tools, simulation tools. When it comes, the core simulation tools which we have are the core simulation tools which we have to learn are, most of you might be learning and might be heard in your classes, might have been taught, is MATLAB and Simulink, very popular in our area. Then you may have the other ideas like PSIM. Third one is PSCAD or EMTDC. Fourth, as I said, other softwares. If you have learning experience like CAD tools, like Eagle CAD, which is a free version if I'm not wrong, like PCB designing, OrCAD, or Altium softwares, where you can experience the other one. These are some of the tools for designing, I can say design or simulation tools. Apart from this, apart from PSIM, you also have something in the industry people uses is called Symmetrics. You can also try this. Then you may also get the simulations like electromagnetic fields if you need to perform. You also have like SolidWorks. There are many alternatives. I'm just keeping this. Then for design, then you may need CAD tools like AutoCAD. So the CAD tools like AutoCAD, so I will write here design and simulation tools. Then CAD tools, AutoCAD, Creo, then you have tools which for visualization purpose like PLC application if you want to go. Then you have specially PLC coding you can also generate. So there are different tools from NI, National Instruments, and other PLC providers. So these are some of the tools and the skills. I'm not saying you need to learn all, but at least one you should be able to have. And today electrical engineering is not just the core, but also you need to also have an idea of the major buzzwords like AI or machine learning applications. Machine learning applications. You need to also have an idea. Artificial intelligence. Apart from this, if you can learn a basic details of cybersecurity, if you have a course, you can also concentrate. There are ample amount of opportunities over here, very important, because whatever the product we develop, it needs a security, it needs a product security, it needs a security from cyber attacks. So this is also another growing area. So these skills, if you can acquire, it will be a great opportunities you may get. Yeah, thank you. And if I forget anything, please do comment in the comment box, then I may take up in the next video. I hope if you have liked this, please do share with your friends and colleagues. And thank you for watching this video, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.